Hello, my name is Mauricio Edimer Mesa Caicedo. This is an activity for the English Does Work Level 1 course at Sena. The name of the activity is Video Presentation, directed by my instructor Gillian Taylor James. In this video, and I am going to talk about my wife. This is my wife. Her name is Cindy Vargas. She is Colombian. She is from Fomeque, Cundinamarca. Now she lives in Villavicencio. Before she lives in a rural area of Puente Quetame. She is 24 years old. She is a baby. Her birthday is on November 11. She studied pharmacy assisting in Villavicencio. She studied at Institute Senacap. She worked in the dermocosmetic store. She is a pharmacy assistant and advisor. She is a great salesperson. She worked different schedules. Sometimes she starts early and finishes early. Other times she starts late and finishes late. We take to helping at home. She cooks on weekend and I cook the next. Her workday is very hard. In her free time, she likes to sleep. She likes to travel and visit new places. She likes riding a motorcycle. We call in Choco Adventures. Goodbye. Thank you very much. Thank you to my instructor. Thank you to everyone who watches the video. Goodbye.